welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover some of the basics of asset development, specifically the Arcus software builder. So head on down to Applications under the Library section of the main menu and click the Add button. Select Use the Software Builder. If you need to build source code in your asset, select the second option here, but I already have my files ready for installation, so I'll keep going. Provide a name, a description, a version, and a vendor. While a name is required, the other three are optional. Next, select your platform. The platform is also optional, but it will be enforced when adding an asset to a system. You will then be able to configure the architecture, bits, CPU, memory, and storage for your application. And much like systems, these are optional minimum requirements. Next, upload any installation scripts and/or files. Select Finish. If you have realized that you created your asset without a README and a user agreement, don't worry, you can click the Help tab here and create a README, and you can add a user agreement here. We will cover importing, re-importing, and updating your assets in a later video, but for now, you can add this asset to a system and put it to work. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, feel free to follow the links in the video description down below. These will take you to our help site, our support page, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.